Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how leading companies such as Toyota, Deloitte, Microsoft and Starbucks have implemented time analytics to optimize their operations, improve efficiency and increase customer and employee satisfaction. The image highlights how time analytics can transform processes, from production to customer service. If you want to learn how to apply these strategies in your organization, stay until the end of the video. Toyota, a leader in the automotive industry, used time analysis to identify and eliminate inefficiencies in its production system. The challenge was to reduce production time without compromising quality. The solution it implemented was the adoption of the Kaizen methodology, based on continuous improvement and real-time adjustments. For example, it achieved a 15% reduction in assembly time by reorganizing tooling at a plant in Japan. The benefit was an increase in productivity and manufacturing capacity. The lesson learned was that involving employees in the improvement process can reduce the perception of vigilance and foster a collaborative environment. Deloitte was facing difficulties in optimizing its consultants' time between billable and administrative tasks. The challenge was to increase project profitability. The solution was to implement software that automated the preparation of reports, reducing the time spent on these tasks by 50%. The benefits were improved resource allocation, increased profitability, and greater job satisfaction. The lesson learned was that transparency and communication are key to avoid time analysis being perceived as a control tool. During the pandemic, Microsoft needed to understand how employees were using their time in a remote environment. The challenge it had was to identify inefficient work patterns without invading privacy. The solution it implemented was the development of My Analytics, a tool that allows employees to manage their own time, reducing unnecessary meetings by 40%. The benefits: better work-life balance, increased productivity, and reduced burnout. The lesson learned was to provide self-assessment tools to empower employees and improve time management without creating a sense of over-control. Starbucks was looking to reduce wait times and improve the customer experience in its stores during peak hours. The challenge was to optimize staff distribution and speed up beverage preparation. The solution adopted was to implement a time analysis system to adjust schedules and assign more baristas during peak hours. The benefits achieved were a 25% reduction in waiting time and an increase in sales during peak hours. The lesson learned was that adjusting staff distribution based on time analysis improves both customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. The cases presented demonstrate that time analytics can be key to optimizing processes, increasing productivity, and improving the customer experience. Adopting a balanced approach that considers employee perceptions is essential to maximize your benefits. If you want to implement time analytics strategies in your organization to improve efficiency and competitiveness, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we will design a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.